Hi guys, here we've got POCO X4 GT and let me show you how to change ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's reach settings, find and select sound and vibration then, and go to ringtone. Then go to all ringtones. As you can see here, we've got the whole list of tunes that you can apply. Try it. And then, if you like it, just leave it this way. Or you can obviously change it to another one. But just by tapping, you are changing the ringtone of yours. So this is it. This is how you can apply new ringtone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.